Living in a small space is not the worst thing that can happen to anybody. There are more worse things in life than living in a small space. So I recommend that if you stay in a small space and you feel frustrated that your house is so small and you don't even know where to step on, in fact, especially when you are living there with someone else, you're not even, in fact, you're not okay, my dear. Make it functional by using multifunctional furniture. Aside from using multifunctional furniture, paint your wall white. Make sure that there is enough lighting in your space. Try to use task light, ambient light, overhead light to make sure that you can create different moods in that small space. Aside from that, if you paint your walls white, your space will definitely look bigger. If you use mirror in your space, bold big mirror in your space, it will create the illusion that your space is bigger, because it will have this reflective effect on the other side, especially when you put it close to the window. My dear, don't kill yourself.
All God has joined together, let's no man put asunder.
Enjoy what you have for now, while you stay in the place of gratitude and grow. Small space is not the worst thing that can happen to a man. Just learn to utilize it by creating multifunctional furniture and bringing in life into your space.